Hello students! In this tutorial, you'll learn multiple ways to program repeats, or what programmers refer to as loops in your program. This will save you time in programming so that you don't need to program the same blocks of code over and over again, which can be time consuming. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be programming a cha-cha dance for your robot using a variety of the repeat commands taught in addition to past movement blocks. Cha-cha slide. Sometimes there are times when we would like to repeat the directions that we are going. Rather than rewrite out all the function, we can use the repeat functions on our Robot C software. There are several variations to the repeat function. In other programming software, this is often referred to as a loop. In this tutorial, you'll learn all of the different repeat options. Option 1 is the repeat block. This allows your robot to repeat a task a certain number of times. So step 1, find repeat under your functions column, click on it and drag it into your programs column. You must hold the mouse down as you drag it over. Step 2, inside the parentheses in the software, add any directions which we would like to be repeated. In the example below, I've decided that I'd like the robot to go forward for 1 second, and then turn right for 1 second repeatedly. Step 3, inside the regular parentheses, tell the robot how many times you'd like these directions repeated. In the example below, I've told the robot to repeat the steps 5 times. Technically, the 5 there is the total number of times it will happen, so really it's only repeating 4 times, but you'll see it go forward and turn right a total of 5 times. Practice, create that example. If you have not done so, download and try it. Once you've tried it, you can restart the video for option 2. Option 2 is a repeat forever. This allows your robot to repeat a task forever and never stop. Step 1, find repeat forever under your functions column, click on it, and drag it into your programming column. You must hold the mouse down as you drag it over. Step 2, inside the parentheses in the software, add any directions which you would like to be repeated. In the example below, I have decided that I'd like the robot to go forward forever. Notice that even though I'm going to say 1 rotation, the robot will continue to go forward since it will continuously repeat that forward 1 rotation motion. You will notice, though, a slight pause before it goes to repeat. Practice, create that example listed above, have your robot go forward forever, download and try it. When you've done that, you can unpause the video for option 3. Option 3 is a repeat until. This allows your robot to repeat a task until a certain action has occurred. It might be for an amount of time to occur, for a sensor to be activated, or a variable to reach a certain amount. Step 1, find repeat until under your functions column, click on it, and drag it into your program column. You must hold the mouse down as you drag it over. Step 2, inside the parentheses in the software, add any directions which you would like to be repeated. In the example, I've decided I'd like the robot to go backwards 360 degrees, and then forward 360 degrees repeatedly. Step 3, inside the regular parentheses, we need to select a value for the robot to repeat until. If you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see that there are many options that we can choose, including motor encoders, so how far the robot has moved, sensors like the touch, sound, light, or sonar. You could use joysticks, timers, or variables. For now, we will choose a timer in seconds. Step 4, we can also choose when we want the robot to respond to the chosen unit. In this case, we want the robot to stop when it gets more than a certain amount of time. So we will choose the greater than sign. Step 5, we will then tell it how long we are waiting. In this example, I want the robot to continue going forward and backwards for 20 seconds. So I'm going to type 20 in the last block. Step 6, finally, we want to make sure that the timer is set to 0 when these directions stop, especially if your repeat falls in the middle or end of your program. This is necessary because any time your robot is running, the timer in the NXT is automatically counting the time that's passed. To reset the timer back to 0, select the Reset Timer block from the timing section and place it before your repeat until in your program. Note, when you insert the reset in spot 1, the software will automatically slide the rest of the instructions down a spot. We're going to keep it at T1 because that is the timer used here. Practice, create that example. Have your robot go forward 360 degrees and then backwards 360 degrees repeatedly for a total of 20 seconds. Download and try it. Now that we've done the example, you want to make sure you have completed all 3 of those practice example problems given throughout the tutorial. Those skills are necessary to make your robot complete the task below. So this is what you are going to be showing and checking off to your teacher. There are times in this program where you will not be using repeats, where instructions might only be happening once. And then there are times when you're going to repeat behaviors. Whenever you see something repeating, you are going to have to decide which of those 3 repeat functions you are going to use. The repeat forever, or the repeat until. So make a robot dance to the following pop tune. To the right now, you're going to have it do a swing turn to the right, 1,800 milliseconds at speed 50. To the left, swing turn to the left, 3,600 milliseconds at speed 50. Take it back now, y'all. Backwards for 3,000 milliseconds at speed 100. One hop this time, one hop this time. Do the following motion 2 times. Forward, 0.25 seconds at speed 50. Backwards, 0.25 seconds at speed 50. Right foot 2 stomps. Do the following instructions 2 times. Right point turn for 1,000 milliseconds at speed 75. Wait 1 second. Left foot 2 stomps. Do the following instructions 2 times. Left point turn for 1,000 milliseconds at speed 75. Wait 1 second. Side to the left, turn left 400 degrees and then go forward for 100 degrees at speed 30. Side to the right, turn right 400 degrees and then go forward for 100 degrees at speed 30. Cha-cha roll smooths. Go forward 90 degrees at speed 100 and backwards 90 degrees at speed 100 repeatedly for 5 seconds.